The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. I want me fuck last night. I go tell them my boss me.
Auntie.
Jack.
Yo, fuck you with your condom. Me broke it out.
Auntie have AIDS,
Auntie of AIDS.
I see you sitting there.
You can't say we didn't tell you. You're gone.
And you're broken, auntie.
Don't call me dead now. We can't take medication.
No, medication is
Medication not help that.
Viewers and subscribers, me see that video up on social media and me say yo, a wagwan ya so. I wonder if a real thing or a joke thing, like you know when some people play acting role and them thing there. But when we're really looking at it, it seems like it's a very serious video. And to all the people them who video record this while the man say what I said, it look like them come with an expectation to tell him that news. Maybe that is why them all video it. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you can see the expression on his face when time hear the bad news. And you see the thing about it is that is not really the bad news, you know. I mean, wait until the test to be done, because I remember one time me go to take my test, you know. I fret the whole time. One more of sweat wash out of me, because me I tell you, if me did ever hear the man come out and say, Jano boy, Skilla, boy. You know, you're not gonna call me Skilla, I call him by my real name still. But if he ever should have come out of the room with the result and come tell me, say, something in my blood, me don't know what me that do. Use a condom. That is something we always advertise all over the place. Me don't know, more than 90% of Jamaica supposed to see the advertisement there, or hear somebody talk about it, or even a school, them talk about it and them teachers, school, all these things. Me don't know who in a Jamaica no hear the word or the words we put together we say, always use a condom, protect yourself, use a condom, and all these things. You see what I say? Now, with what happened to him now, you know, there's one or two things that gonna happen, because there's a lot of people where them do certain things where them hear say them get infected by somebody who have AIDS, but because them fear for know say them have AIDS, them not take the test. Me hear a lot of people say, oh, me rather live till me dead, me don't want to find out, and all these things. As I say, listen to me very carefully now. It better you find out, because there's medication that can help you live a longer life. There's people that live a very full and long life, even though them have the AIDS in them bloodstream and so forth. You see me? So it's best to find out. And it is very selfish for you to think like that, because at the same time, you might go out there and have sex with somebody else and just like spread the disease and put a lot of people at risk in the future. There is one or two things is going to happen. One is either that he's going to not do the test because he fears of the result coming back saying that he's positive, or two, he's going to do the test and do the right thing and know his status. And I hope that he does the right thing, and I hope that you, my viewers and subscribers, learn something from this. Alright? Always wear a condom. Do not have sex without a condom. Know your status. Stick to one partner. Always wear a condom. These are some of the warnings that is always out there, and these are some things that we should always go by and live with. Alright, viewers and subscribers. Well, anyways, just let me know what you think about something like this. And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?